Today we're gonna start another project on electrical series, and we're gonna take this GFCI ground fault circuit interrupter, and we're gonna replace this regular standard receptacle down here. If you've been watching the past few projects, you notice the design that we have here, my little building station, for my schooling education department on this part. For you guys, we have our power coming in. This is a 15 amp circuit. Running it from the power cord right here. I don't have a plug-in, but I do it anyways. Power comes in here, a single pole, single throw switch, comes back up. That was video number 1 into a keyless fixture. Power comes back in through, goes down and feeds outlet, the receptacle down there, and everything works out great. Switch on, switch off for everything working. If you want to watch the old videos, go back and watch that one to see how we did that. All right, without further ado, let's get going on this. Let's pull the tester, pull this one off, faceplate, and make sure you have your power off, your circuit breaker off. Even though we do this, well, I used to do this professionally, you still want to make sure your power is off. Okay, this is pretty basic. Take the one out. This is the neutral. Again, the shepherd's hook is clockwise with it. Take the ground off. Yeah, that was a bare ground if you watch other videos. And you're hot. Okay, so now we have our faceplate off for our receptacle. And here's the GFI. Again, code is up, prong is up. So we have to find our green screw right there. So we're just going to strap that one around, make sure your shepherd's hook is going down on it. And there's a little indentation as well on the back of these. As you can tell, they're upside down already. They changed them around from way back in the day. They have line and they have a load. The line comes in, the load goes out. So since we're not going to do anything with the load today, we find the load side and we screw this down. As we remember before, I said to always have these down to make sure they aren't going to pop out ever and short something out. Okay, remember again, before, the chrome ones are the neutrals, silver, chrome, tomato, take your pick. And you have to tilt these ones down. Hold it with your thumb. Nice and tight. This is your neutral, and you have your hot. Same way, shepherd's hook goes to the right. Make sure I'm getting this for you guys. Oops. Pull it down, nice and tight. Take your wires, straighten them out, nice and tight. Fold them, and this 14 gauge is pretty good. Another thing I want to remind you guys of, if you guys are using a 15 amp circuit, make sure you use 15 amp GFIs. Never go above your amperage of your wire. And never go below your amperage of your wire. Well, you can always go below, you can never go above. Hey guys, guess what? I didn't put this in the code. Oops. My bad. Make sure you always look. Since my house that I live in it now, all the receptacles go the other position the way I just had it. Sometimes I forget until I look at it and I'm like, wait a second, that's not right. How dare you? Let's do a faceplate. And both of them straight up and down. Dust off. Here's our tester again. Power on. GFI is lit up. Letting you know, it should come up. Remember the 3 prongs. So if I wire it wrong, it'll tell me. So what we're looking for is the 2 yellow ones. There we go. So that's it. Now, if we wanted to test it with a GFI tester to pop the circuit, as you can tell, the light's off. If we want to pop the circuit, I'm not sure if it's going to pop the breaker from here because the breaker has a GFI also. So listen real close. It broke it up there. So GFI is done. And bring up the light, on and off. GFI works. So now we have a light, a switch, and a single pole switch and a receptacle. All 15 amp circuit, 14 2-wire. We haven't used a 14.3, not yet. I'm gonna add another receptacle onto here. And this one will be protected, and that's where those little stickers come in handy that you get with their GFI. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with this one. I'm gonna splice in another one in my next video. So all of them will be protected for GFI in case you're doing like a bathroom or a kitchen appliances and stuff. That way you don't have to buy a new GFI every freaking time. You can just use one for the whole thing. But other than that, thanks again to watching, and hello my new subscribers, hello my old ones, and see you tomorrow. Bye.